Hey guys, today I will show you my Clash of Clans.
Why so hard?
Today I will show you my Clash of Clans.
Sabi ron ni Chan Chan, bukas raw po
How
bubuksan
to
yung
get
port.
a gem.
Si Baba wala te.
I will show you my Clash of Clans. How to get the many golds fast. Wow, fuck. You build more gold mine. You
Get the
request.
Q-tan!
This is my archer tower. This is the you build gold mine. This is my Clash of Clans. I have a level 2 archer and level 2 barbarian. Today I will show you how to get money fast. Let's go to attack. No, I have a shield and do you really? Wow, my best friend is online and I will kill him. This is the barbarian and this is sorry, it is an archer, not an barbarian. Archer. This is my town hall level 4, my bomb level 2, and my mortar level 1. So you get money fast. So my defense is not really good because I'm always lost or always lost. And the attack log I'm always win because my giant is level 1. Because it's the giant is it attacks many defenses. And the archer it attacks any and the barbarian. The wall breakers is wall, the favorite. And this is how my money go up. And this is the archer tower. And this is the mortar. And so we and this is the barracks level 5. I have a troop that is wall break that. And I research. I have no money. I have no elixir. And let's collect the elixir first. This is the giants. Wow. It's so many, and this is the archer. This is the archer room, and this is the giant's room. That is so really good. And this is my clan. The clan perch is level 2. And this is my clanmates called 45 are Viking, Charis, Zenith, Clang, Cyper 1921, Eclipse Red. This is my best friend, Eclipse Red. He is the leader. Justin, Kyle, Josie Female, Denver. And this is me, Power Effect. Can you visit me? Log on Matsui with Josh, subscribe me. Hashtag Matsuyuki Josh Pogi. That is my Clash of Clans. Wow. This is really awesome. To watch more videos, you subscribe or log on to Facebook.